A very quick one, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the latest airdrop that you need to participate on. All right, so this airdrop right here we are talking about is actually going to be distributed on the 1st of February 2024, and you just have to take this awesome opportunity right now and secure your spot before it actually gets filled. All right, so there's a lot of airdrop that I'm going to be talking about right here on this video. So what you got to do right now is simply make sure you pay close attention to this video. Make sure that you follow all my simple procedures. This is very simple, and it will only take you about 3 to 4 minutes for you to be able to complete. All right, so stay tuned and stay sharp. We are going to be getting this airdrop on Solana blockchain, and all you have to do is simply fill out a form. All right, so the form will be provided on the video description down below, so make sure you use the video description down below to get to the form where you need to fill and then proceed with your airdrop that you need to position for right now. So stay tuned and stay sharp. So before I go ahead and tell you guys about this airdrop, what you have to do right now is simply pay close attention. And before that, guys, we actually run a free BNB giveaway right here on this my YouTube channel. So over on this channel, if you watch any of our video, you are qualifying for a free BNB giveaway. All right, so what you need to do right now to get positioned for this free BNB is simply make sure that you are subscribed by clicking on this button right here to subscribe to the channel. So when you click on it, you are subscribed, you click on this bell icon and select all, so that YouTube will send you a notification immediately we post any new video. After that, guys, you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You share this video to any social media platform of your choice, and when you are done doing that, you make sure you put a very nice interesting comment right here, because we actually pick our winners from the comment section. Over here, guys, you can see our Telegram channel. Let me show you guys something. Okay, so over here, guys, on our Telegram channel, you can see this is where we announce our winners right here. Last week winner has been announced, and you can see it right here. And also right here on this Telegram channel, we provide you with a lot of information that's gonna help you earn for free. So a few days ago, we earned free win on our wallet, so a lot of us did, and we made a lot of money. I personally cashed out a lot of money from it. So right now, let's go back and talk about this new airdrop that we are gonna be claiming right here on this video. So when I take you to my Twitter handle right here, or X, whichever one you want to call it. So over here, this is what we are talking about. Wolf Lab, right here, they are running airdrop, and you can see Wolf is going to be dominate Solana on 1st February. Prepare for a daging journey. Airdrop 1 to airdrop 10 will be processed on 1st February on launch. So this is really cool and sharp, so make sure you follow me right here. So the reason why I'm gonna talk about this airdrop is because when you look down here, you can see that they are being followed by a lot of people who are verified on this crypto space, and you can see it right here. Okay, so we can see right here that they are being followed by a lot of people who are already verified on this crypto space. So when I click on it, you can see right here that they are being followed by iSwap, Shadow Swap, and a lot of top crypto groups right here. And right now, guys, you are going to be one of the beneficiaries of this airdrop. They actually have a lot of airdrop from 1 to 10. So all you have to do is simply make sure you use your time to go through what I'm going to be showing you right now how to do. All right, so the first thing here you can see, let me start with the latest one, which is the 8th airdrop. You can see airdrop 8 is here. Fill this form. All right, so everyone who fill out this form gets a guaranteed Wolf airdrop. Mark what this word right here, guaranteed. All right, so you are being guaranteed for your airdrop. So how to do right now is simply, let me show you what to do. The first thing you need to do is simply come right here, you have to like this post right like this. You can just like it and make sure you quote tweet. Hope you know how to quote tweet. I've already quote tweet this, but let me quote tweet it again. So when I click on quote, you can see repost or quote. So right now I will click on quote, then I will write something like, let's fucking go. Okay, let's fucking go, like this. So I will just go ahead and repost it, and this will be sent immediately. Then I will have to go back like this. Let me show you guys what to do now. Once you are done liking and quote tweeting this, you go back like this, then you head to your profile. Okay, so over here on my profile, you can see this is what I just could tweet right now. You can see 12 seconds ago. So what I need to do right now is simply click right here like this over here. So when you click on it, then you click copy. You have copied the link. Then you go ahead and tap on this Wolf Lab right here. When you tap on it, it will take you to the tweet. Then you go ahead and click on this form. So over here, this is where we'll be filling out this form. I guess I haven't filled this already, but if I fill it already, I will still show you how to do it. All right, so okay, you can see this is the airdrop 8. All right, so over here, guys, what you need to do right now, you can see Wolf token is launching on Solana blockchain on 1st February. Right, so everyone who filled the form will get a guaranteed airdrop. So we don't know how much that we are gonna be giving or what the airdrop is gonna worth, but we are being guaranteed for our airdrop. All right, so we have planned a total of 10 airdrop before the launch of Wolf on 1st February. Each airdrop consisting of an allocation, so you need to make sure you go ahead to their X handle like this and get to find out all the airdrop, and get to participate on all of them. So let me show you guys something before we proceed. You can see this is the airdrop 8. When I scroll down again, you can see right here, and this is the airdrop 7. We keep on scrolling down, you can see a lot of airdrops right here. We keep on scrolling down, you can see this is the airdrop 6. You make sure you go ahead and look for all of them and get to fill all of them up. All right, so right now let's go back and fill this up. So first thing you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and input your email address right here, just like I have input mine here already. So over here you need your Solana address, and down here link to your code tweet. So when you click this right now, you go ahead and put the link you just copied from what you code tweeted. All right, so over here you need your Solana address. You go back to your Trust Wallet to copy your Solana address like this. You click on receive, then you click on copy. So right now you go back to this code tweet, then you go ahead and paste your link right here, your wallet address. Then you come down, you click on submit over here. So once you click on submit, you have qualified for the airdrop, and you can see how easy the task is. All right, so you can see over here 3 days. All right, so you have 3 days, all right, to come to do this before it actually gets closed. I just pray and wish that we will be able to fill other forms that we haven't filled yet, so that we will be getting this airdrop. So right now a lot of people made money from when I posted this right here on our group, on our channel right here. So we can see right here we just hit 3,800 subscribers. Thank you guys for joining us. I welcome you all to this channel. All right, so right here we talk only how to make money. All right, so if you were here when we talked about this, you can be able to get it. Also, I think today is the last day to claim. So if you haven't claimed this yet, you can actually go to your Trust Wallet and get to claim it. If you don't know how to claim it, I left a link down here on how you can be able to go around it. So I guess, okay, so this is the link over here. You can use this link, paste it on your wallet, and see if you are qualified for this when airdrop or not. So this is all I want to talk about on this video. Stay positioned. This is the airdrop season on this crypto space, so make sure you are being positioned right here on our channel, because I'm going to be bringing you guys to all the opportunities that you don't need to miss. All right, so thank you. If you made it to this point, make sure you join us on this channel. Let's make this money together. Thank you and peace out.